Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina and I'm going to show you how to do 5 vases with this pumpkin and these flowers into my centerpiece for my dining room table for fall. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you have, and if you haven't, please subscribe. We're getting into it. We're going to have new ideas all the time happening. I am doing my fall dining room table. I'm getting started and I'm excited about it. I love the fall. I love the colors and we are going to get right into it. So enjoy the video. Leave comments below if you have any questions at all. Go ahead and get your vases and your flowers and let's have fun. You're putting your different leaves into the vase. Make sure you put as many as you like. Fill it up if you like to. We're trying to create a scenery in the vase. That's the whole purpose of me adding the flowers and the leaves into the vase. So get creative with it, guys, and fill them up or put different colors, same colors, however you feel, whatever the wind is moving you to put as many flowers or leaves in as possible. Now, when you're at the bottom, fill it up. Like, don't leave no blank spots. You want to make sure in the front is just as full, and also in the back. So that way, if anybody's sitting at your dining room table, not only does the front look pretty, but the back does too. And it's nice and full. It just gives an all around scenery. It looks very pretty once it's like complete and done. Thank you guys so much for coming back and creating with me. I hope you love how the centerpiece came out, and I hope you love the way yours came out as well. I will see you again on the next video.